This is going to be a video on the John Deere 50G mini excavator. It's going to come with the thumb, the 36-inch bucket, 12-inch bucket. This one's got the backfill blades, they're the swinging boom, so you can dig up against stuff, rubber tracks. Nice little machine. I think it's got 20, to double check the hours, I want to say 26 or 2,800 hours on it. We'll take a look at that when we get up on there. Yeah, just a nice clean machine straight off the job. Got a little bit of mud on there from the job. Let's see, clean, everything's clean. Take a look in here. Nice little unit. Like I say, everything's here ready to rock and roll. Yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit out here, makes it more interesting. Okay, let's see here. All right, so hours wise, we'll go with that real quick. It wants to dim out for some reason, but it looks like it's not that one. I think that's the service. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I was right. I'll double check it, but I want to say it was right around. Oh yeah, 2826 is what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, see, that's what it does. It shows it and then it kind of dims. Anyways, we'll start it up. Do the one-handed operation. There we go. Do the thumb. Turn it up a little bit. Spin around. Cars are coming. A little loose up there, not bad though. I don't know, maybe the pin, we'll check that, see if it's in there. A little slop there, but it's just in that bucket. Backwards, forwards, do some turning, nice and easy, right, rev her up, does her thing, nice little rig. Oh, here's the blade, up and down. Quick, responsive, nice machine. It just came off the job, so it's ready to do it to it. Send it to the next one. And it does have, like I say, the thumb, auxiliary hydraulics up there. Yeah. Any other questions, give us a shout or come on by on preview day, January 20th, 9 to 4. All right, see you on the next one.